Hey everybody, this is my website complexitycrew.com, and I'll show you at the bottom there's an interactive element I made with JavaScript, and it when you click on it, it highlights like a network sort of thing, as you see right there. So yeah, if you're gonna check on mobile, go to complexitycrew.com and hit try the web one. Don't use a mobile one because that one's it's more abbreviated, so it loads quicker, but it doesn't have the JavaScript element on it. And right now you see as I click on the thing, it highlights all the shapes. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I'll have probably a tutorial teaching you how to make that type of thing for your own website if you'd like. And once I do that, I'll put it in the description of this video. So yeah, I think it's kind of cool anyways. But yeah, check it out. Alright, peace everybody. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace. It's Complexity Crew, and you can find me on my website. Peace everybody.